Good morning, everyone. Today I am cooking a bento for my daughter and my wife. First, I'm going to cook a rice for 1 cup, which is enough for two. And today's main dish is the stuffed lotus root and eggplant, which what we call it Hasami Yaki. First, I'm going to chop onions for stuffing. This is white onion. This is rice oil. It's kome abura. First, I'm going to stir fry chopped onion. And I'm gonna cool it down a little bit before mixing them with ground meat. I'm going to make breadcrumbs, which is panko, with the milk mixture. This is a milk, gyunyu, and just mix well. And I put them also into the ground meat later. This is lotus root, which is renkon. I will put the sliced lotus root into the water. Avoid them from changing its white color into brown. And this is eggplant, which is nasu. Eggplants are sold throughout the year in Japan, but from July to October it's season, so I can obtain many different kinds of eggplants now. I'm putting salt, which is shio, into water because the salted water avoids eggplants from changing color also. I'm going to make a sweet egg omelet with dry seaweed. I add brown sugar, which is soseto. This is a milk, which is gyunyu. And this is shirodashi, light colored condensed dashi. This is a dry seaweed, what we call it Aonori. This has really nice green color. You use Aonori for like making takoyaki or okonomiyaki. And this is different from Nori, which is another type of seaweed, which you use it to make onigiri, rice ball, or like a sushi. Those nori it's darker. It's almost like black, so it doesn't have really green color. So when I make a sweet egg omelet, I use aonori. And if you don't have an access to aonori, then you can use regular nori, the black one. People make sweet egg omelette with a nori as well, so you can use it. And this is done. I'm going to put a lid on it and just steam a little bit because the inside is still a little bit raw. Now I'm going to make a stuffing for lotus root and eggplant. I'm adding salt, which is shio, and mix well. After mixing well, I'm gonna add the breadcrumb, which is soaked in milk earlier, and also add 1 egg and chopped onion that I stir fry earlier. Now it's cooled down a little bit. And this is done. I'm gonna put them into smaller bowl and put in the fridge. And this is the eggplant and lotus root soaked in water. I'm gonna dry them up in a kitchen paper. Now this is the sweet egg omelet that I made earlier. Now it's completely cooked, so I put them into kitchen paper to take out any moisture. I'm gonna cover them with potato starch, which is katakuriko. By putting this katakuriko over the vegetables, it will help the meat to stick better. Otherwise, the vegetable will come out. Make shape of ball and put them on the vegetables. It's like making hamburger. Now I'm going to stir fry them. Tamagoyaki is ready. I'm going to steam the broccoli. I'm gonna make broccoli salad with the sesame dressing later. I think these are done. And the broccoli is also done. Now I'm going to make a sauce for stuffed vegetables. This is rice wine, what we call it nihonshu or sake. This is a sweet rice wine, which is honmirin. And this is light soy sauce, which is usukuchi shoyu. And brown sugar, which is soseto. I'm using a light soy sauce because I don't want to put too much color to it. And this is done. I'm gonna put it over the stuffed vegetables. And this is done. And the rice is also done. I mix a little bit. It's very nice and fluffy. Now I'm ready to put everything into bento box. The rice is still hot, so I'm going to cool it down a little bit. I'm gonna make a broccoli with sesame dressing. The video of making this sesame dressing, I uploaded the other day, so please do check. Well, this is just simple. You just mix it. This is salt preserved plums. We call it umeboshi, which is very salty. But this can avoid food poisoning as well. And also this is red color. I always try to put 3 colors into bento: red, yellow, and green. So umeboshi takes part of being red. this is done. Thank you very much for watching my video. Today I made a stuffed lotus root and eggplant dish. But lotus root is something that I think it's difficult to find in your country. Other vegetables that you can use is maybe zucchini, the courgette, or you can use like onion. I think you can use that. Or you can use maybe mushroom. That would be nice one as well. Okay, so if you get a chance, please do try. And if you have any question, please give me a comment. I will try to reply as much as possible. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.